Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator to status bar. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store and search for Internet Speed Meter app. Install it. And now open the app. If the indicator is not added to status bar, you will have to go to Settings, Preferences, Advanced Settings, and add to Whitelist. Search for all apps and internet speed indicator. Select Don't Optimize, Done, and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.